Spices! So do you want to be a hit at any party? Do you want all your friends to love you? Well, in today's video, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite Jello shot recipes, which is orange creamsicle Jello shots. So let's go spice things up. The first thing you want to do is heat up some water in a teapot tea kettle. So once your water has heated up, we are going to pour it into the measuring cup. We are going to pour 2 cups of hot water. Now you want to get some orange Jello, and this is the bigger packet, so this is 6 ounces. Why? Because bigger is better, of course. And you'll just want to take your Jello and pour it right into the water. And then just stir it until the gelatin dissolves. All right, that's pretty good. It has dissolved in the hot water. For the next ingredient, we are going to get a whipped cream vodka. They do have other brands. I love Smirnoff, so that's what we're going to use. And you want to pour 2 cups of the whipped cream vodka into the measuring cup. And then, of course, stir that all together. All right, I think all the ingredients are mixed perfectly. All right, so next I'm gonna get these little mini party cups and I put them in a pan just so nothing drips. This is what they look like. You can get them at Walmart, you can get them at Cash and Carry, you can get them on Amazon, which I'll link it below. So now you'll wanna take your Jello mixture, and since you have it in a measuring cup, you can easily pour it in. Just want to continue to do that until you fill these up. These little mini cups usually always come with lids, so you want to just put the lids on top of each one of them just so that it's easier to haul off, haul to a party. So once you put the lids on, you'll want to put them in your fridge. So we're just gonna put the Jello shots in the fridge for 4 hours, or you can put them in overnight. After 4 hours, they are done, and we'll come back in 4 hours and check them. All right, we're back. It's been 4 hours. Time to check. So if you can see, the Jello has formed. It has thickened. It is done, and time to eat. Alright guys, so we're going to try this Jello shot, and if you see there is whipped cream on the top, I always like to add some whipped cream to the top of these Jello shots. It just makes it creamier, therefore it is even more of a orange creamsicle Jello shot. So let's give it a try. What you'll want to do is you'll take your finger, kind of rub it around the side to get it out easier. Lick it, of course, and then chug. This is one of my favorite kinds. You guys will love this if you love Jello shots. But if you have any questions, please comment below. And if you'd like to see more videos, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much. Bye, and see you in the next video.